Hello there, this is Cliff from RVs of Sacramento. Today we're looking at a classic rear living floor plan, the luxury Pinnacle 2024 36KPTS model. This layout has been around for a while now, but I'll tell you, I've never seen a better version of this and all the openness with the colors in the windows. Let's take a look at it here. So right when you walk in, you have the dining room table. This is expandable to 4 seats. The table does extend. The additional 2 seats do extend, stow away underneath the bed in the bedroom. Look at all this window space. This is new for 2024. I think they've really outdone themselves here. Moving down to the Stacy Stewart theater seats, nothing screams comfort more than this, with heating, massage, USB power ports, cup holders. Wow. Stacy Stewart has done a great job here for Jayco. Towards the back, you have an ultra comfortable couch that also makes into a full-size sleeper that will sleep 2 full-size adults. You have storage right next to the couch in the forms of the countertop. And then right next to your storage area here, you have USB ports and also electrical outlets as well. That is on both sides of the trailer. You have the electrical outlets. And then looking at the non-door side, of course, you have your fireplace. And let me tell you, that fireplace does warm up the immediate area, and it provides a lot of ambience to the room. Beautiful. You have your sound bar, and of course, your TV is nicely recessed in your countertop here. It does raise up with just a push of the button here. Otherwise, you have the view behind you with the window. But look what a great view. Can you imagine sitting there watching TV with your fireplace on and just enjoying a nice movie or one of your favorite streaming shows? Looking over at the kitchen, I just go, wow, what an awesome model for a kitchen. Before we get over there, look at all the space here on the floor. It's big enough to have a dance in here or play or do bowling. You look, though, you have a nice cutting board, huge kitchen island, huge gooseneck faucet, large kitchen sink. You have your freshwater drink dispensing tap. Of course, more drawers, more cabinets, microwave, Furrion cook range. Wow, this is really the lap of luxury. More cabinets. Here's your kitchen pantry and your refrigerator. Huge refrigerator. I mean, this is a GE residential quality refrigerator. Look at that. Wow. Look at all that space. You could spend a lot of time in this fifth wheel. Your kitchen pantry opens up. Look at all that space. Of course, your control panel outlet here. This does have a ceiling fan on it. And of course your J command. You have a whole house max air fan, which draws all the hot air out or draws the cool air in. Going up your stairs into your bedroom. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. This is the first time I've seen this. Such an improvement. Wow, so nice. Instead of a walk-in closet now, you have more dresser space like so. Closet space, real redwood in the back there. You could hook up a washer dryer. Instead of the walk-in closet here now, you do have kind of more of a wardrobe type area. Again, USB ports, electrical outlets. There's your Weingart antenna system. The bedroom, you do have a second TV. But look at all this space by the bed. I love this floor. Wow, it's just so bright and open. Really is. In your bathroom. Good sized bathroom too. Decorative sink bowl. Here's your shower. You have a bench that does fold up. Decorative shower head, kitchen skylight, shower caddy. Jayco has really outdone themselves with this floor plan. I really think that, man, this is such a great layout. Just jumps out at you. Right at 40 feet, you definitely would need a 1-ton to probably tow this, at least a 350. I don't know if you need a dual rear wheel model. But again, this is the 36KPTS. And wow, as far as open floor plans go, I just don't know that you could find something more open than this or more nice.